Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 20 and how to build a communication skill with English law. Day 20 is very interesting of my life. Why? Because I am not a build of trust of anyone friend. Why? Because I am a cheat for myself and my friend. But literally I change of my new life, new journey, right? I'm not as a stress and why you are to leave me. Not matter. You are happy, I am happy. So okay, so today I discuss my class 12th student. I am not a properly explain for this story, but really I am the rare of the rare case. I explain for you. Why? Because class 12th student I ask for me, कि sir, how many percentage are too good of the career option to choose easily? But I say not a percentage or decide your career, only for decide your life, only for your passion, your happiness, and after you are achieve anyone. Okay, why? Because society are to fix of criteria. Is 85% is this good and 90% is good, but that is the not matter. Why? Because life learning skill are to explain in your life is more important. Okay, so literally I change of mindset of the student and the parents. Why? Which one stand by you and me? Only for you suggest 85% is good, but not. Why? Because you are not a life learning, you are not explain for yourself, you are not a growth. That is the dark side of the student life. And dark side of student life it is the important. Why? Because after student you have to clear a 12th, after selected science, commerce and art stream, but whatever, that is the not matter. Why? Because you are not happy, you are not a growth, not achieve. That is the define only for your aura. And which type of the mindset you are to achieve a new beginning of your life. That is the explain for yourself. Okay. And second one point, I absolutely 100% sure percentage are not define your dream. Why? Because you are to decide, your mind are to decide percentage is the good one, but that is the not a good. Why? You are to only for focus a a mark, but not focus as a student in your life learning skill, not a effort from the adventure of your life, not a interest of solution of your life career option. And after you are to a severe phase daily base, you are not achieve your properly dream. That is the dark side of the reality of the person. Thank you so much you watch my English vlog, but definitely I change this mindset and one day. Okay, thank you so much dear.